Tip of the day. Are you struggling with the marbling of powders, especially in the slick ball range? In this video, I'll demonstrate the Shim Sham as well as the Silky Peony, two powders that tend to marble. Now, the reason for marbling is that the two pigments have different weights, and when you pick it up with your monomer, it actually separates. So if you have a look at the Silky Peony, I'm picking up pink at the bottom. But if you look on top, it has a white look to it. And that's the white color that creates that beautiful color for the Silky Peony. So to prevent any marbling, I'm going to pick up my color with quite a wet brush. I'm going to place it the other way around on the nail, and I'm going to twirly, whirly it. Literally mixing that color on the nail, making sure I go close to the cuticle. And from there on, I'm literally going to paint the acrylic powder on. Nice into that cuticle. Painting it on. And from there on, just spreading it nicely everywhere. Allowing it to set. And when it has set, you can cover it with encapsulate it with clear acrylic. So looking at the marbling of the product, the Slick Ball Products Shim Sham, I'm going to take quite a wet brush, pick up my pearl, place it down, and I'm going to twirly, whirl it on the nail, going quite close to the cuticle, tuck it in everywhere and paint it right through. There's a lot of techniques out there. It's not to say that this is the only technique. Other nail techs might have found another way, and that's how we all learn. Allowing it to cure or set, and then I will encapsulate it with Core Clear or Speed Clear.